Hey everybody, welcome back to Yellow Canary Designs. I am Stacia Rosero. Here we go, we're going to do another one in my fire series, starting with a white base, making sure that we cover the corners. I'm crazy about corners because I've had multiple paintings that I didn't double check the corners and I didn't have any extra of that color when I was done. Okay, so I'm going to layer these colors all on top of each other in just one single line. I'm trying to make it look like fire, like I said. So I'm using copper, red, orange, and yellow, and the orange, red, and yellow are each actually mixed with a little bit of copper from a previous pour that I did. So I'm just blowing the white a little bit over the colors and then blowing out from the center. So this doesn't look super fiery at this point, but I'm gonna go back through with a smaller straw to make it a little bit more pointy. And then here, as you can see, I added a little more color because I didn't think I had quite enough. I think I actually did have plenty looking back, but that's okay. Extra color never hurt anybody. Again, adding a little bit more white to blow over that color, and then I will spread it out and then come back with my smaller straw. The paint wasn't flowing very well, so I decided to go back and add some white to help it move a little bit better, which worked very well. So if you ever have that problem, just add a little bit more of your base. And then here I go with that smaller straw. You can see that it just makes it a little bit more pointed on the end, a little bit more like a flame. So I just went around it with that, and then I try to touch up a little bit in the middle just to give it that same consistency throughout, and that's it. So here's the final product. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more paintings in the future.